Welcome. In front of me is a Odys Thanos 10, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you'll find Do Not Disturb. Once you locate the toggle, the first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can customize how it behaves. So we have behaviors for sounds, notifications, then duration, which defines what happens when you click on set toggle, and lastly we have turn on automatically, which allows you to set it up as a scheduled mode. Once you go through these options and customize them to your liking, you can close this and then you don't have to ever come back here again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle once again in your notifications and then simply click on it. Once it's lit up in blue like it is right now, that means that it is running right now. And you can also see this tiny little icon right here. And once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again, tap on it, and there we go, it is now off. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.